Hey guys, it's Ethan from Zimmer Labs. I'm excited to bring you a video of this Darth Maul saber reborn from the ashes of destruction. My customer Eric found this guy on eBay and it was in pieces. This is a custom build done by Steve JK Sabers some years ago. It was just a shell. All the electronics had been broken and ripped out, and all the pieces, the greebles that you see here, were just loose. I'm going to attach a link to the original YouTube video showing this guy in its original state when Steve finished it. Eric wanted me to he wanted me to bring it back to life and put Teensysaber and neopixels in it. He also had some ideas about getting some electricity and some malfunctioning going on into this really excellent custom battle damage section here. And then I took the opportunity to put in a real quartz crystal down here because the red plastic one just wasn't cutting it. So I'm really excited to show you guys this one because I know Eric's been dying to see this. Eric, sorry about the wait. It took a little longer than expected, but I think it's worth it. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. Down here, that's your recharge port and kill key. Pull this little guy out. Got LED here and here, accents. And those are standard, just bright 5mm LEDs. As you can see, the quartz crystal down here, let's see if I can get it focused in a little better for you guys. Crystal down here mimics whatever the blade is doing. The 5mm LEDs here are just solid red. They're off when the saber's off, on when the saber's on. Put the ignition switch underneath the red button here. And this is the auxiliary button right here. It's a nice round ball bearing type switch, and this is a really tiny micro brass switch under here. Let's run through what the blades can do. Now we started with, might as well start from the beginning real quick. Just reset the saber. It's a red blade with a white flash to start. This is a red blade with a white spark tip. This is just a standard red blade. A fire blade. Is a red audio flicker blade, kind of hard to see. This is a white and yellow audio flicker blade. This is a gradient blade going red to yellow. Strobe blade because it's badass. This is the POV blade, which you really can't see from this angle, of course. This is the blade that is your battery. Just telling you how well charged it is. And back to the beginning. I'm going to probably put a couple more on there, but I wanted to stay kind of with your basic Darth Maul colors and not do some of the other stuff that the Teensy will do because it's just not really appropriate for a Darth Maul saber. But definitely my favorite part about this guy is the battle damage section. Some electric malfunctioning going on in there. It's kind of hard to see on the video and with such bright light, but the effect in real life is really excellent, and it really looks like it's electric malfunctioning. Like, it looks like it's strobing out with some shocks going on down there. Let me hit the lights real quick so you guys can see it. Now that just comes on as soon as the blade comes to life. And it does its own thing. It's just constantly on a random white, black, and yellow flicker setting. Let's kill the lights all the way. This gives you a little bit better of an idea just how aggressive the malfunctioning spark is in person. It's a lot brighter. And of course the 5mm red LEDs on the front are just silly bright too. This thing has just got a whole lot of light going on with it. So that's the short and the sweet of it. Steve over at JK, I hope you approve of the custom rebuild on this guy. Eric, I hope you're happy with it. Check out the video and just give me a quick shout and let me know if there's anything you want to change, or if you're good with it, and if so, I will get it out in the mail to you ASAP. Oh, actually I forgot one last thing. Blade, obviously. Nice snug fit, as you can see. We also did built-in blade plug. So no matter what's going on, the blade plug is always behind the blade with built-in neopixels, and that is your connector right there. This is your two ends. These guys line up when you sink it in. Pretty excellent display piece, I would say. Alright guys, thanks for watching.